Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable PIN code in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Bither Crypto application on your device. After that, type in your PIN code here. Now, to disable a PIN code, you need to go to your Advanced Settings option. Go to your settings at the top right corner and click Advanced Options button. After that, you can see PIN code there. Now click on PIN code option and you will be prompted with two options. You can either disable a PIN code or change your PIN code. If you want to disable a PIN code, click on Disable PIN code and type in your current PIN code here. After typing in, your PIN code will be disabled. Now quit the application and relaunch it once again. As you can see here, your PIN code has been disabled. So that is how you can disable PIN code in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.